So we've got a new guest here. Got the pack on, secret location. Ran into this guy up the trail, so I'll link Stephen's channel in the bottom and you can have a look at all his videos. I'm in the Vern tonight. Stephen's roughing it in the Durston X Mid 2. Solid. Yeah. Which I had a bad experience of up Lamigan.
It's been beefed up for winter.
So he's beefed up all his kit. He's going to be snug as a bug with minus, what is it?
Oh yeah, my mat will go down to minus 40.
Minus 40 sleeping pads. So
tonight.
yeah, so I think it'll be alright. It'll be warm as a baby in there. So yeah, we'll get cracking and I'll get set up here, and we've got Dr. Fish with us. Bring out Dr. Fish again, and we've got the titanium stove as well, so we're all nice and forest friendly. There's going to be no trace as usual. So he's just killed over here. That's him. He just holds on to his tent and he just lies there. He's hardcore.
Put the tent here.
Is that your pillow?
That's my tent.
Oh, the tent. I thought it was your pillow. I thought it was just hardcore.
No, my shelter just keeps the rain off my face.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's all you need.
I just sleep here all night.
You can just peg something out over the top of you. Yeah, just go with that.
It's an expensive pillow.
It would be.
If you're camping in a forest, the ground is really soft. So if you use 6-inch pegs, there's about the first top 2 inches, you're not getting a grip. So those are 9.
They do say every inch counts when you're pegging out.
All the way. And there's a grip. Or if I just put that in, like there, look how loose that is.
Yeah. Somebody actually told me, I don't know if it's true, but you're meant to peg straight up and down.
I was pegging at the opposite angle. So
Aye, so do I, but
that way, I
think it was one of them guys said he'd done tests and actually pegging it straight up and down was more.
I suppose if you go straight down, you'll get into the more compacted earth sooner.
So he's done, I don't know. I always peg mine at an angle, but
maybe it's
yeah. I'll stop talking here and get setting up. I'll be here all night. So Stephen's got the luxury accommodation down there. He's relegated me to the, what is it, the 1-star accommodation up here, where I'm going to be here. So we'll try and make this homely, make sure there's no dead trees going to come down on me. I don't think so. Let's hope not. No widowmakers about anyways. Yes, this is our wee set up for tonight. Stephen hasn't his chair up yet because he's playing with his fairy lights down there. Probably see them in the distance. Yeah, so this wee set up, titanium stove. We've got the wee seat, room for Stephen, wee table, 1 fire log, and hopefully we'll get cooking in that soon. Just have to go and get a bit of water now. Have the wee stream. Try and maybe get a spot that don't actually fall in. We'll grab some. Try not to fall in a hole here. Yeah, how idyllic's that. And we have actually blue skies. The storm Dara hasn't started yet. So if you give me a wee second, I'll just grab some water here. I'll try and not let this camera fall in. And just get it down in here. It's me water got. Let's go and set this in our wee spot. Sorry. See if you're recording and you want me to do this or something. What's the sign for shut up?
I'm not recording audio.
This is behind the scenes of The Mad Scientist. Did you ever watch Fast and the Furious? No? The Mad Scientist.
No.
He's concentrating on the technical side, and there's me with a wee tiny play camera, and he's got the big guns out. What was that? Hints of wild bear, did I say? Does she not do mad stuff like this? This is the Durston. 2, some size, some palace. And my wee Vern has pulled me out a hole many a time. Just up here. Show you the mess inside. So I've got the Rab sleeping bag and the Divide sleeping pad, and we've got a new thing. It's one of them mats out of Decathlon, and then a foil mat in below. Don't think I'll need it tonight. We've also got the OEX furnace liner, which I don't think I'll need tonight either. See, it looks pretty cosy. So that should do the job now. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but some mighty gusts come through there. I'm just hoping these trees are pretty solid. There's another one coming. At least it's not raining now. It'd be miserable if it was raining. I think we should be safe enough there. You know, I wish Stephen would hurry up so we get this stove lit and a bit of heat. But he's doing his thing there behind the scenes. This is where all the magic happens. Yeah, he's talking away to himself in there. I'll let him be. Oh, extreme close up. Yeah, I'll let him be. Wee bit of nip in the air, but nothing as cold as it was up Lamigan. It was crazy. Yeah, the storm's still going. Storm, is it Dara? I think it's Dara, not actually sure. Yes, I've got a wee trail cam set up tonight. You just basically click that open. Set the settings, click that back in, and it's just pointing up my entrance, so hopefully maybe get a fox walking by, curious fox or something walking by there.
Oh, you got.
That'll be good video.
Dave's got a trail camera going here.
I'll share that one with you.
Just retrieve that lest you steal it and.
Bright lights. So yeah, I'm just going to gather a bit of dead wood. Maybe that's too bright in my face, is it? Let me just check. Let me sit that down a bit. Pretty bright light, still 50%. So yeah, just get a bit of dead wood chopped up that's lying on the floor. You can see where we're going here. Ooh! It's the second time I went down that hole. It's just like a random hole. Second time I've stepped on it. Got my wee dead wood pile in the fire log, so once Stephen finishes his thing, we'll go up and we'll get this started. That is pretty bright. This is the super mode, or super night mode in the Action 5. Don't know what it's looking like here, but that's with the light on. External light. That's with the light off. So I don't know, it's pretty dark in here, but what do you think?
And this place to put it. I can tell I'm going to roast it once this gets going. I brought a light as well. I'm putting here. Alright. I can go get some of my kindling and chuck it in there else and get it going.
Yeah, if you want to. I think we're alright now, like, it's a bit damp though. Once it gets, there's like a wee vent here, see? This side you can close that up. And see, we found before, seeing you had a fire and the smoke was in your eyes, and
Yeah.
it's a blooming nightmare, so,
Is there a hook in here now?
I don't think so.
I can,
We're not that, like, advanced. Maybe around that string or something. Yeah, we found that smoke in your face and all the heat was going everywhere, but this kind of was the option, sensible. They're about £200.
That was £200?
Aye, pretty expensive, but
What brand's that?
AliExpress brand, I don't even know. But that's the best place to get them, because buying them anywhere else you're talking £300-400 quid. Because it's titanium, like, so.
Is it going now?
Ah yeah, should be going now, right?
I'm gonna go get some bits, a couple of bits of wood. What you got there?
Just always mind you don't hit the pipe because you'll stick to it on the way out. Getting light-headed.
I'm gonna faint now. accidentally breathed in a little bit there.
Don't be down on me, I can't carry you out of here. So we just decided we'll go for a... We hear noises that we think is the tree cutting stuff, so we're going to check out, see how far it is away from us. So we decided just to randomly walk through the spooky forest here. But like, I'm alright, I feel safe, because like, who's going to mug Stephen in a random forest? Like the nation's treasure, nobody's going to mug him. What the hell?
I've got a stick.
Pointy stick. A dead pointy stick. Probably break when you hit them with it.
Just in case we do run into anything scary, I've got this first stick.
I just used the end of my... What's that?
Rock tread.
I just used the end of my... this here thing, extendable baton.
What's that?
My extendable baton. On the end of my camera.
Hey, by the way, if you want to get Dave's version of events, his YouTube channel is Adventurous Dave.
That's the one.
That's the one. I think it's this way.
I don't know, I'm just blindly following you. Yeah, I think we're...
Ooh. Okay, it's getting weird. Like, you see lights from the trees up ahead. I don't know. Camera's not picking it up yet. There's definitely something going on up here.
That's spooky.
Isn't it a great Grizzly Gats video?
It is, isn't it? There it is. That's where they were, like...
Here, turn off the headphones.
Hang on. Yeah, weird or what?
I can see there's a light coming off your headphone. Turn the brightness down. I've got mine down to like 10%.
Yeah, I'll not record any higher up there anyway. You know what it's like? Did you ever watch that film War of the Worlds?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
You know the big things with the lights?
Like, yeah.
And they make that noise?
It's going to be I'm going to slow down a bit here.
Yeah, look at the rain, like.
We're going to get abducted like aliens or something up here. Turn my light out completely. What's that? Oh, it's a river.
I think that's like mobile lights they have. Just static mobile lights to light up their...
Mud. This is all turned up.
Oh, there's people there in front of us.
Where?
Is that people?
Where?
Oh no, I thought there was people standing in the road there.
No.
I think it's just static work lights, and then they're working right up in there.
It's still alien.
Oh right, we're still in the aliens, right. War of the Worlds.
What is this? People don't laugh.
Are we going to walk right up by? That's freaking me out. Oh shit. He's bound to see us in here, isn't he? It's that big tree thing. It's actually coming this way. Freaking coming this way.
a tree. Let's get out of here.
Shit. I wonder if he's seen something there and think, what the hell?
It's like
Eyes.
Jurassic Park. Listen to that.
It's doing that. It's doing that. It grabs the tree and then scoots it up and down. I think there's two of them in there. Like there's one way up in the.
Fuck. Okay, let's go.
Seen enough. I was wondering when that was going to come out. He's such a big kid, isn't he? You know what's funny, but
what?
The trail camera will pick you up doing that. That'll be good video.
I've got a trail camera going here.
I'll share that one with you.
I'll just retrieve that lest you steal it and prank me back.
I wouldn't be like your sister. I would throw the batteries in the stream. Or throw the whole thing in the stream.
I feel terrible. I'll leave you a piece.
Good night, John boy. Oh, dear. Staying with his fart machine. Now I know how his sister felt. I'll probably hear that all night now as he slips it into the tent somewhere. Oh well. I'll get him back some stage. But yeah, we'll call it a night. It's pretty windy now, so hopefully the wind dies down a bit. Ooh, spooky. I'll catch you in the morning. I think he's just woken up. Still living?
What?
Still living?
Yeah. Pack up now?
Yeah, I'm starting to get packed anyway. No panic, like. I was in dreamland there. Best night's sleep in a tent ever.
Yeah, I slept great.
I think it was the double pillow and the double mattress thing. This thing here that was below my air mattress definitely helped the decathlon. Good insulator and just takes the rough out of the ground. I have my cheek pillow stuffed under me. Why is it? Flexsteel pillow with that in below. That definitely helped as well. You don't want to see my bad hair day. So yeah, we're going to get packed up 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun's not up. Still in the dark. Totally no wind now. No rain. So we're going to try and packed up. It's chilly like, but I'm going to get packed up on the way up the road. Try and miss the traffic. There we have it. Just checking my spot. Leave no trace. Yeah, so we're just about to hit the road here. Still dark. Stephen just getting packed up. Let's give him a bit of extra light here. So there's Stephen, all packed up. No trace. Ready to go. I just have to remember to grab my stove bag. So that'd be an expensive bit of kit to leave lying.
I got my own fart machine this one.
Yeah, I'll just walk straight into that one. I just get the smells of the forest here. It's just funny. It's funny hiking out in the dark again. It's like not normal.
There is something wrong about it. No, what's my number? I get 7.
Flip.
Yeah. David pointed out, it was something weird about hiking out in the dark before it didn't get like it was 7 a.m. Like it was the summer and I was wet.
Sorry, I nearly got that one on camera. Damn.
I tripped a bit of snot from it and it was fine. Yeah, if this was summer, I would have been away from about 5 a.m. until I don't know, it was wrong and we didn't start in the bit because it was so dark. Weird. Sunrise isn't for 8 o'clock.
So we're just getting the sunrise. Come down the wee.
Light and you'll get the
wee. Oh, I have torching. Oh yeah, that's better. Nice bit of a glow going on there. So yeah, adventures with Steve. That'll be the next channel. When you bring somebody along and put fart machines in their box, so it's bye from me and it's bye from him.
Cheerio.